How to port weapons to Black Ops 3 multiplayer. Alright, the first thing is to open up Black Ops 3 mod tools. The first step is to create a new file. File. Then change the template to mod. Give it a name. I already have a mod file, so I'm going to skip this step. The second step is to download the Black Ops 3 dump files. Just click this link right here. And then you're going to want to extract the string tables folder. The next step is to extract the following files. MP_attributes, MP_gun levels, and MP_stats table. Step 4, sound configuration. In Mod Tools, right-click your mod and select Edit Zone File. You won't have all of this. The main thing is to copy sound, MP_mod and place it underneath the include. Next, you're going to want to create a sound file inside your mod. So click Open Mod Folder, and then create a sound folder. Inside the sound folder, create zone config. Then create this file. In the description, you will see a Google Doc. Place this inside the mp_mod.scc. Next, we're going to find the aliases folder. Navigate to your Black Ops 3 root directory. Then find the share folder, raw folder, sound, aliases, and duplicate user_aliases and rename it to MP_aliases. Step 5, installing weapons. Navigate to the link in the description. It will be Sky's weapon ports to Black Ops 3 Master Hub. Find your weapon. For this tutorial, we are going to be installing the Advanced Warfare ASM1. For each game that you use, you will download the Weapon Common asset as well. Alright, once you have those files downloaded, you will navigate to the directory. For me, I have it here. You're going to extract the file. And you're going to want to copy the following folders. Copy. I'm just going to open up a new window. All right. Paste. Next, you're going to want to open up the README. You're going to want to copy this. This is the weapon name. This will be going in your zone file. And this is the sound. All right, let's head back to your mp_mod_zone. And for me, I'm going to create a little bit of structure, AW, and then make sure to change underscore up to underscore MP. Oh. MP is multiplayer designation. And then open up your aliases. Again, I'm going to add some structure here. ASM1. There we go. There we go. That's a sound file. All right. And you're going to want to do the same with the common files as well. So you'll extract weapon common. And then you'll copy these files. Then open up the README. And copy the sound. All right. Preparing the weapon. You're going to want to open up your asset editor, which is the monkey. I already have it open. And you're going to want to find your weapon. For me, it's the ASM1. You want to scroll down. And you're going to want to duplicate the weapon file name. In general, names will be the developer and then the game number to be specific. So in this case, it's Sledgehammer 1 because it's their first game, and then underscore ASM1. Duplicate the file and add MP underneath it. And then for the kill feed and profile images, you'll take a screenshot of your view model. I like to zoom in a little bit so it can be higher quality. Click this screenshot button. And for me, I'm going to save it in my special UI folder. Let's see, ASM1, here we go. Editing weapon stats. In Google, you're going to want to search for your game, then weapon stats. I like to use the spreadsheets by Marvel 4. You're going to open up your weapon file underscore MP side by side with your Google Doc. And we can drag this over a little bit. There we go. Okay, and you'll see a bunch of numbers and names. All right, the first thing we're going to look at, which is really clear, is damage. So it's max, medium, and min. So we're going to go search damage. And we're going to change these numbers to 35. Oh, that's 45. 35. 22. And the minimum amount of damage is 18. And then the range is 500. And then the max amount of range is 1225. There we go. We'll change a couple other things. You're going to want to change the multipliers. So just search location, LOC, which stands for location. And we'll change all of these. So the only one we have to change is the head. So we'll make that 1, and change this to 1.1, and change this back to 1. Alright, next is the recoil. So in Call of Duty, we use view kick and hip kick. But for older Call of Duties, there was no hip kick. Or there was, but they used the same numbers. Alright, so we'll search kick, and you'll see all sorts of stats. We're going to change the pitch min to -20, the pitch max to 58, and then we'll change the pitch min to -20, pitch max to 58, the yaw min to 58, 58, and the yaw max to -58. Alright, next we'll look at the magnitude. And we're going to change this to 15 because it corresponds with this number. So then you're just going to do the rest. You're going to fill out all the stats for your weapon. Next, you're going to want to create profile and create a class images. I like to use this website, photopea.com. Okay, so you'll see my kill feed image here. I need to open up a image that I use. Let's say, since we're doing SMGs, I'm going to open up an SMG I already have. Let's do the MP7. I'll open up this profile image. Okay. So now you're going to want to find your view model image that we took a screenshot of earlier and import it into your photo editor of choice. Alright, once you've done that, it'll look really small. You're going to want to blow it up. Let's say 632. Okay. I'm just trying to match this. That looks pretty good. Maybe we'll make that a little smaller. There we go. And then you'll just add a drop shadow. And there we go. Now, Black Ops 3 profile images have a blur, but I'm not quite sure how to replicate that. So I just do this. And then you save it. And we will save it under S1_ASM1. And you just want to give it the weapon file name _icon_pu. So S1_ASM1_icon_pu. Next is the kill feed image. You're going to want to re-import your view model right there. And let's see, I'll just try to match this. So again, I'm going to blow it up. Just do that. It's a little too big. We'll do it anyways. And we're going to apply a color overlay, which will be white. And then give it a stroke. The stroke will be this color. And give it 3 pixels. And there we go. We'll make it a little smaller, like I said. Let's make it like... it's still a little too big. Perfect. Alright, we'll go ahead and export this. And we'll change the PU to KF for kill feed image. And then we'll go back to your asset window. And we'll search KF. And we'll create an image. It's going to be S1 underscore ASM1 underscore icon underscore KF. Create. Again, S1 ASM1 icon KF. Alright. We're going to want to change the image usage to 2D. Compression to uncompressed. Map disable. Find the texture. All files. KF. There we go. And then I like to duplicate this image. Add a PU. Change this to the profile. There we go. Go back to the weapon file. Now search again for PU. S1 underscore ASM1. It already popped up. If we go back, there we go. We'll search for KF, and there we go. Now, the kill feed images have to be 160 by 64, and the profile images are 256 by 216. Next, we're going to update our stats table. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is edit your zone file again. And you'll scroll down, and you want to copy this string table, comma game data, comma stats slash mp underscore stats table. This directs it to your file. You want to make sure you have this, or it will not work. All right, and then you're going to want to open up mp underscore stats table. I already have a bunch filled out here. For this example, we'll be replacing the SMG underscore burst, which is the Pharaoh in game. All right. This line right here, in all caps, is the weapon name. ASM1. This right here is the weapon file. So it's S1 underscore ASM1. And do not add underscore MP here. I know it makes sense to do so, but do not. The game already knows it's a multiplayer file. So then we'll add our icon. It's going to be S1 underscore ASM1 underscore icon underscore PU. And then this next step is the description. I haven't created the descriptions yet. I will do that last. So I'm not going to do it in this case. But you can add whatever you want here. You could say that the SMG is a fast-firing SMG, or whatever you want. Okay, you'll save all of your files. Lastly, you'll want to run your game. You'll check core, MP, then link, run, ignore errors, then build. It will start to convert your weapon. All the animations. Oh, there we go, an error. You'll get this error. You're going to want to open up your kill feed image into paint.net. I'll show you. And then you're going to want to find your kill feed image, drag it in, then export. For some reason, the linker has a hard time converting images exported from Photopea, specifically kill images. It doesn't care about the profile image for whatever reason. I think the kill feed image is expecting some sort of setting that Photopea is not using. But we'll relink it. Now it's loading. Alright, we're in game now. If you look at the top right, you'll see mod loaded, then your mod. Alright, let's check out multiplayer. Let's see if our weapon is in the game. Ooh, you see that blink? That means your weapons were loaded. You'll sometimes have to wait for that blink, or else your weapons won't be loaded. Alright, the ASM1. Here it is, baby. Alright, let's set up some bots. Let's give it a shot.
Free for all. Black Ops, mission clock is running.
Alright, let's see if we can find any guys. Come on. Go, that's one. You see the kill feed image? It's two. Well, let's get this other guy. Aw, man. But anyways, that's about gonna do it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Let me know if you want me to make more of these videos. I could make one on camos or attachments or whatever. Peace out. Thanks for watching.